With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked that which of the following statement is correct about receptors, right? So if we talk about the receptors, these are basically any organ, right? Receptors are basically any organ, or we can say any cell that has the ability, right, that has the ability to detect the stimulus, right, to detect any stimulus. Or so basically stimulus is anything due to which any response is produced, right? So stimulus is anything that basically leads to the production of a response, right? So any cell that has got the ability to detect that stimulus is basically known as the receptors, right? So basically in our body we can sense the sight, right? We can sense the light, right? We can sense the sound, right? We can also sense the taste, right? We can sense the smell, right? And we can also sense the touch or the temperature, right? So basically for these for sensing of these things, right, certain receptors, certain cells that are present in our organs which are known as the receptors, right? So for sensing the light we have sensory receptors, right? Then for sensing the sound we have auditory receptors, right? We have auditory receptors. Then for sensing the taste we have the gustatory receptors, right? Then apart from that, for sensing the smell we have olfactory receptors, right? Then for sensing the touch we have thermal receptors, right? So if we just look at here, so if we consider here, right, so the receptors that are present in the eyes, right, so as to detect the light, they are basically the photoreceptors, right? They are basically the photoreceptors, and the receptors that are present in our screen so as to facilitate the touch or to sense the touch, they are basically known as the thermal or the thermo receptors, right? They're basically known as the thermoreceptors, right? So if you look at the statement here, so it is given that gustatory receptors detect taste while olfactory receptors detect smell. So exactly correct. This is what we are seeing here, that the taste is detected by the gustatory receptors that are present in our tongue, right? And the smell is detected by the olfactory receptors that are present in our nose, right? So the statement is absolutely correct. Now we look at the second statement, which says but that both gustatory and olfactory receptors detect smell, so it is going to be incorrect. Then the third one says that auditory receptors detect smell. No, the auditory receptor detects the sound, right, not the smell. And olfactory receptor detects the taste. This is again wrong, because olfactory receptor, they detect the smell, right? Then the fourth one also says that the olfactory receptors, they detect taste, which is wrong, and the gustatory receptors smell. So these are basically the functions are interchanged of the receptors, right? So this is also going to be the wrong one. So we can say that the correct answer is going to be the option A, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.